all of us spending more time at home, now is a great time to tackle some easy do-it-yourself updates. I spoke with lifestyle expert Kathryn Emery about how to make your home healthier. Kathryn, thank you so much for joining us.
I am so happy to be here. I love talking about home improvement projects, especially things that we can get done easily and quickly. And we're all home a lot more, so we might as well get doing, right?
You're right about that. And a lot of people right now, like you said, stuck inside because of coronavirus. What are some suggestions you have for people to make their home healthier and cleaner?
Well, let's start with cleaning because we're all doing a lot more of it. And let's make your drill do all the work for you. I love products that get things done quickly. So these Roto Scrub cleaning brushes, you literally can put them on any drill. So any power drill around your house, you just add the attachment to the end. This one will clean your toilets. They've got ones for cleaning literally, Peter, just you name it. It's just amazing that technology, right? Where you can make that power drill clean for you with those Roto Scrub brushes. So everything can be clean and healthy, like you said. And talking about healthy, you know, everyone has or should have a humidifier, especially there in Palm Springs where it's very dry. But I don't know if you know, but you want to make sure right now more than ever you're getting the right humidifier. And what you're going to look for when you want a humidifier is you're going to want one with an antimicrobial coating in there. What that means in normal people talk is that germs can't grow. So studies have shown that humidity should be in the home between 40 to 60%. Any kind of germ like a flu-like virus, that humidity will literally attach to the germ and make it drop to the ground. So you really want to invest in a humidifier. And this Air Innovations humidifier, it's an antimicrobial humidifier. So it's got a ceramic filter. You can just wash it off. So just a really great addition to your home now and always. Just think about a humidifier there. Now that everything's clean, right? The air is clean. Let's get clean in the bathroom. I'm going to finally convince you to install a bidet toilet seat, and here is why. Because this one, literally, all it is the seat itself. No electricity, no plumber required. Literally, it just comes with a hose. You put it on your existing. This one even goes underneath your existing toilet seat, and you get the benefits of having a bidet. The toilet paper crisis is over because now you have a bidet toilet seat. So these are both by Bio Bidet. It's so easy to install. It comes with it. And I love that no electricity, anybody can do it. And then think about it. You're cleaning with water versus paper. It's more hygienic and it's better for the environment. All that toilet paper doesn't end up in the ocean. So it's a great way to clean. And now talking about cleaning, let's talk about a kitchen faucet. This is something easy that anyone can do. Install a touchless faucet. So literally think about all those germs on your hand. You just want a motion sensor. This Flow faucet is very easy to install. I have it open here so you can see. You'll put the existing pieces where your current faucet is. So literally you just pull out your existing faucet, install it. Flow faucet just makes it super easy. Motion sensor, very clean and healthy in the kitchen, in the bathroom, our humidifier, and we're cleaning with our brushes. We are doing some great projects to keep the home healthy and clean.
A lot of great suggestions there. Kathryn Emery, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me. And people, if they want to see how to install this stuff, they should go to BeTheBestHome.com. I've got a lot of great videos up there.
Now, first